Recorded Books presents Nourish, the definitive plant-based nutrition guide for families by Reshma Shah, MD, MPH, and Brenda Davis, RD. Narrated by Nan Mcnamara. Introduction. No one precise way of eating guarantees a life free of disease, and many dietary approaches can allow for vibrant health. Indeed, nutrition is just one aspect of health. Sleep, stress, movement, relationships, a sense of purpose and community all contribute to an overall sense of well-being. Why, then, another book about food? Is there anything new and noteworthy to add to the conversation? We would offer that with the growing rates of chronic diseases expanding even into many countries in the developing world, dire concerns around climate change and increasing rates of childhood and adolescent health issues, from type 2 diabetes to anxiety, food sits at the center of so many of the conversations that matter most to parents. Not only does diet play an essential role in our health, but it also has the power to connect and serve as an expression of our culture and values. We propose a way of eating and feeding that is centered around plants and at the dinner table. This approach is health-promoting, sustainable, and compassionate, not to mention abundant and delicious. The evidence overwhelmingly supports a plant-centered diet as the foundation for promoting health. With clarity and care, we will outline the specifics of a plant-based diet to optimize health, beginning by establishing its safety for children. We offer an evidence-based approach to understand the vast benefits of a plant-based diet for disease prevention and longevity, while addressing common concerns as they relate to minimizing or eliminating animal foods in the diet. The broad strokes of disease prevention and overall health will be reinforced with more detailed information regarding nutrients, supplements, and age-specific nutritional recommendations. The real actionable steps for parents will be to focus on maximizing the consumption of whole, plant foods as far as is possible and practical within a given family. Additionally, while the primary focus will be on the health-promoting aspects of a plant-based diet, we will also discuss the many benefits beyond our individual plates. Sustainability, compassion, and allocation of resources may seem outside the typical realm of a book by two healthcare professionals, but we contend that because of our roles in caring for families, this is precisely the place where such a conversation should be had. We will discuss the toll that animal agriculture takes on our environment and the steps we can collectively take to help protect our planet. It's alarming to know that nearly 70% of the world's farmable land is used for animal agriculture, with an additional 10% used to grow grains to feed livestock. Beef production alone uses about 3/5 of the Earth's farmland, but yields less than 5% of the world's protein. Animal agriculture is the leading cause of species extinction, ocean dead zones, water pollution, and habitat destruction. The health benefits and environmental advantages could alone support the recommendation to adopt a plant-based diet for all. But perhaps one of the most compelling reasons to favor plants is the call to mitigate animal suffering. Given two equally convenient, delicious, satisfying, and healthful choices, we no doubt would choose the more compassionate alternative. If we concede that a variety of diets can promote health, it seems nonsensical to ignore the horrific acts of violence bestowed upon countless innocent animals every day. Following a detailed examination of a plant-based diet and its myriad benefits, we will delve deeply into the specific guidance that many parents seek. We will provide age-specific recommendations to optimize growth and development, review nutrient requirements and the role of supplements, as well as address many of the common nutrition questions about which parents often worry. Again, the information will be evidence-based, while at the same time accessible and practical. Information is critical, but knowledge can only be put into practice if our values support it and we have the resources to implement it. After exploring the health and safety issues,
Sample complete. Ready to continue?